are going to focus on the meaning of the Magician card. But before we get into all that good stuff, I just wanted to say I find tarot readings just another way to seek guidance from the universe and really helps you train using your own intuition. But the thing with tarot I find isn't fully touched on is that it can truly be an individual's experience. You can read your reading completely intuitively, and that's what the difference from a true tarot reader is and a reader that just uses the general knowledge of the definitions of the cards. And most readers I see on platforms are just using the general consensus versions, but that's where I vary with my readings. Is I like to use my intuition when I'm reading my cards, but today we're just going to focus on the generally accepted version of the cards. And if you want to experience my intuitive readings and overall spiritual gifts, you are gonna have to book a reading with me. The link is in the description in this video. But going into this card, the Magician card, in a broad sense, signifies the potential for one's manifestations to come true. But first, you must set your intentions in which direction you want to go in. It also really signifies as a reminder that you have all the resources within yourself that you can reach for. So it again really wants to emphasize on setting your intentions, using what's within you to manifest clearly what you want or desire in your life. If you want more content like this, hit the subscribe button, like and comment this video.